Hi, I'm Dr. Sedano, the Director of Clinical Support and Education at Vexia Diagnostics. As you most likely know, food sensitivities affects millions of individuals worldwide, and research indicates that the prevalence of food sensitivities has increased more than 50% in adults and more than 70% in children in the past few years. Now, food reactions can cause a wide variety of illnesses, ranging from skin rashes to headaches to chronic intestinal diseases. And although the symptoms of food sensitivities may differ, they all produce antibodies, which can interact with the intestinal mucosal lining, causing GI dysfunction. Now, as you may know, immune hypersensitivity to food and other substances refers to a misdirection of the immune reaction. Now, it's important to know that the immune system usually doesn't mistake food for an aggressive allergen for several reasons. First is the fact that cooking food denatures proteins. Next is the fact that proteolytic enzymes in the body cleave proteins into tripeptides, dipeptides, and amino acids that are easily absorbable and generally non-antigenic. And finally, proteins and peptides that are going to escape proper digestion are prevented from entering circulation if a healthy mucosal barrier is present. Now, what's becoming clear is that proper immune flora is important for preventing damage to the mucosal lining and subsequent degeneration, which can lead to leaky gut that can contribute to food sensitivities. Now, a test we offer called the Food Inflammation Test, or FIT test, provides sensitivity by measuring all four subclasses of immunoglobulin G and the immune complex complement CD3. Now, here's how this works. As food antigens enter the bloodstream, they can stimulate the production of immunoglobulin G. Now, as the immunoglobulin G antibodies are released into the bloodstream, they then bind to antigen, forming what's known as an immune complex. This immune complex can activate complement, which ultimately forms an immune complex plus complement substance. And it's this substance that causes inflammation and symptoms associated with food sensitivities. What you also need to know is that the FIT test also includes a gut barrier panel. Now, this panel is going to assess the integrity of the GI mucosal lining by measuring immunoglobulins A1 and A2, total IgG, and complement for Candida, Zonulin, Occludin, and lipopolysaccharides. And if any one of these analytes are listed as positive, then leaky gut is suspected. I hope this information serves you and your patients well. Until next time, I wish you all the best personally and in practice.